is for a flexed lesion that we're going to treat with the Kirksville crunch, the supine HVLA for the thorax. So our hand placement is going to be not on the spinous process, but on the transverse process. I'm going to make a fulcrum with my thenar eminence right on that transverse process. So go ahead and lie down supine for me. I stand on the side opposite of the rotational component. I cross the patient's arm over his chest, both arms. The opposite arm is going to be on top. I'm going to pronate my cephalad hand contacting his elbow and push that down to this ipsilateral ASIS. That gives me all the exposure I need to find the level that I need to treat. It also gives me axial compression and flexion. So I'm going to replace my cephalad hand with my sternum and create a vector from my sternum to my thenar eminence. Then I'm going to lift his head. I'm going to increase my flexion down to one segment below the segment that is dysfunctional in this case. So if the segment that I'm treating is T7, I'm going to flex him down to T8, and my thenar eminence is on T8. Then I'm going to let the flexion relax just one segment, so now T7 is an extension. Again, this is a type 2, so I'm going to side bend him toward me down to the level of T7. Bring my vector so that it's completely vertical, my sternum right over my thenar eminence, and then drop straight down. And then always reassess.